reflexology for hip pain, lower back pain, and spine pain. Here we go. The feet. Just again going to connect with the client, holding the ankles. We'll start by massaging down the sides of the feet. And massaging down here. Because down this side is the spine on both sides of the feet. So we can do some work going down there and work around the ankle area and around this area here where the hip is, and pelvic area all around here. Just getting some lotion together. That'll be enough. Okay, I'm going to start on this side so you can see. So we're going to go down the 7 cervical vertebrae. Thumb walking all the way down. Then down the upper part of the spine and then the lower through to the lumbar area. So 12 that's 12 thoracic vertebrae, and we're going to go into the lumbar area, into the lower part of the spine, so around the ankle here. I can feel something going on there. And down into the coccyx around here. I will just work the other side as well, but I'll show you on this side. I'm going to work the hips, on the lateral side of the foot. Give that a bit of a massage there. I'm just going to go down to the knee point and the shoulder point, which is on this side. So on this side here we've got a lot of pelvic space where the pelvic area is, working round, and then we've got the hip point up here. There we go, just working around that area there to help with a release. Massage around that area where there's some muscles. You can work individual muscles around that area. Just going back to that pelvic area because this person has got pinching and pains in their kind of glutes area, shall we say. So just helping to release that by pressing around that area there. And going into the hip. And I'm going to work down here till we get to the knee. Massage the knee. Then there's the shoulder point on the top here, dorsal part of the foot. Massage down there. And just for balance, obviously I'm going to just work down the majority of the spine here, even though you can't really see it. Working the cervical and the thoracic. All the way down. Massage down there. And because to alleviate pain, I always use the adrenal points, so just above the kidneys. Adrenal and adrenal. Just hold it. Just hold it here. And then finish off with solar plexus. And there we have a few points for helping to alleviate back pain. See you in the next video.